Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Krista Shaylin, and I am a mom to a 1-year-old as well as a wife to a mechanical engineer. And if you're not new here, hey, welcome back. I am glad to have you. Some of you have commented on my husband being a mechanical engineer and kind of why do I say that? If you're not married to an engineer or know an engineer in the field of any of that, it's a different breed of human. And I mean that in the best way possible. Their minds are constantly going and they are always thinking of, how do I put this? Like, we look at something and we think, oh wow, that's really beautiful, that's really amazing, that's really cool. And they are looking at it, how did they build it? How did they do this? How do they do that? How does it work? So that is why I kind of say that. It just is kind of more of a, I am a proud engineer wife. I am very proud of my husband and the work that he does do. It took a lot of work to get to where he is, so I am super proud of him and I love him. Anyway, so today is kind of a really hot, kind of muggy day. It's almost 90 degrees and it's all overcast. Do you want to say hi, Bubba? Good morning. I love you. Again, we are having puffs right now and enjoying our little morning. Hi. I have no idea what we are doing quite yet. It is 11:30. Ricky said that he's gonna start working from home at like 12:30, so I am not entirely sure what we're gonna do. I do need lunch. I might make lunch or I might go grab it. Not entirely sure. Today's just kind of a hang out and chill kind of morning. I hope you all are enjoying your day so far. And I am thankful that you are here with me today. See you guys in a bit. Bye. So I didn't want to go out and drive. So I ended up making myself a roast beef melt. Super easy, super cake. And just kind of hang out. I think I want to bake something. I know it's like really hot, but I'm in the mood to bake, so. We shall see. Anywho, I will catch back up with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I figured we'd come and play with Bubbles outside. Get us something to do. catch back up with you guys in a bit. Bye. Alright, so I don't have my vlogging camera out, but I figured this was cute. We're just hanging out, just trying to make the best of a day, you know. It's really just an easygoing day. See you guys in a bit. Bye. So I didn't pick up the camera much more after the thing. I'm about to make dinner. I am making spaghetti for dinner because it's an easy cake dinner. I am making, I don't know if I've ever mentioned, I use hot Italian sausage for my dinner, or my spaghetti. So I'm making the meatball version today, not the ground version. So I take hot Italian sausage links, and I will show you how I make meatballs out of them. Cause, you know, your girl here is, excuse me. Hello? Hello? There you go. Hey, sis. Alright. So, I use my store brand version. Here. Can I grab my saucepan? And I'm gonna get my water going as well at the same time. Hold on. We take an intermediate cooking break to watch the hilariousness of Dad and Baby. Family time's the best time. Alright, back to cooking channel here, hopefully. If it will want to, oh. I'm like, why am I so zoomed in? Duh. Alright. Get your water going. Add some salt. Y'all don't know how to make spaghetti. Y'all let me how to make spaghetti. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Alright, so sausage comes in a casing. You don't want that casing anymore. So you're gonna take your knife. Knife safety, people. Be careful. There's typically like a little hole. Put it right inside that casing and cut through. Then you can just roll and remove the casing. And then I just tear off like a ball-sized cut. I pat it in with my palm, so it makes kind of just like a ball. And then I'll throw it in my pan. I'm gonna do that for all 5 of my sausages. And you can make them any size you want. I mean, if you like bigger meatballs, go for some bigger meatballs. If you like tinier meatballs, go for some tinier meatballs. I mean, it's all in what you prefer. And hey, no judgment. So, like I said, I'm just breaking them up, kind of rolling it together. Make a ball formation, slitting those through, because you know, dinner's gotta be good. Last one. And as, of course, after you're done, always wash your hands. So, out of 5, that's about as much as I got. Once you get that, cover your balls with water. And then you're gonna kick that on the high, let them boil. Once they start boiling, give them about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 10. Just give them like some time to cook up, and you'll see like white foam from like the fat. Great. Strain all the water, keep your balls in there, and then you're gonna put in your sauce. I'm using my Stater Brothers roasted herb and garlic, and then I doctor it up with some garlic, sea salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, crushed peppers, crushed red peppers, and stir it all together. I use the hot Italian sausage because I like my spaghetti so spicy, as well as adding more crushed red pepper. And then for my spaghetti, just some typical spaghetti at like 9 minutes in boiling water, I think. I kind of just follow the packaging pretty much and taste to it. And then I mix it all together and there's dinner. Pretty easy dinner and cakewalk for me. I hope you guys had an awesome day, and thanks for joining me, and I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and know when we are posting next. I hope you all have a great day wherever you are and whatever time you are watching this. Bye.